Good afternoon from Newark, New Jersey. We are aboard United Flight 3670 on board November 741 Yankee X-Ray, which is a 3-year-old Embraer 175 LR long range owned by Republic Airlines in seat 24 Delta. We're headed to Pittsburg today. A lot of people may ask, why Pittsburgh? Not for any particular reason, but my thought process here was the weather is pretty crappy in Denver. So I didn't want to risk missing my outbound to Medford that night. So I just backtracked that plane to Pittsburgh, and that's where we're headed, because you can't miss your outbound flight if you're on the inbound plane. Make sense?
There are 4 emergency exits. Each door is equipped with an emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft, and 2 exits are in the back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with red and white overhead signs when illuminated. Floor-level lighting will help guide you to the nearest exit. The safety information card details the location and operation of the exit nearest you. Remember, it may be behind you. Your seatbelt must be fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing, and any time the seatbelt sign is on. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. To adjust, pull the strap. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your neck.
Just to give you all a little weather update and taxi briefing, we have winds 260 at 10 today in Newark with 10 nautical miles visibility, few clouds at 4,500 and scattered at 25,000. We're going to be taxiing to runway 22 right today. We will be using it shortened at Whiskey via Romeo Fox, Romeo Whiskey. hope you enjoyed our departure out of Newark this fine afternoon. In just under 50 minutes, we will be touching ground in Pittsburg, Pennsylvania. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video just to let me know that I gotta keep moving east, maybe over to Europe. Who knows? That is, as soon as coronavirus passes over and I can get my job back. Anywho, I hope you join me for our arrival into Pittsburg, as it is quite gusty there. Hope to see you there.